And there was a dramatic rescue operation of a man and his son from their home in the 19 Miles area of Clarendon. Heavy rains lashed the parish on Saturday, flooding streets and leaving scores of persons stranded. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm journeyed to Clarendon and now reports.
Many rivers in the streets of Clarendon following a heavy downpour from Friday night through Saturday. The wave-like action and strength of the water was enough to force vehicles to assume the position of a submarine. Others were abandoned, so too was this refrigerator. And for the people,
there's no way we can cross it.
A year further up, that about 3 dogs drown and lose their life, so you understand, nothing cannot go.
Even these cockroaches were not taking any chances. But nothing could prepare residents for this. Roof-deep water in the 19 Miles area. Inside, Henry Blair and his son Dwayne Blair. Now, Mr. Blair and his son were inside this room when the water came rushing in. With just seconds to make a decision, they made their escape down this passage and then went into the trapdoor.
So we jump up in the trap hole, and that's where we're up there the whole time. Good thing I had my phone.
And after several phone calls and a 2-hour wait in the ceiling, help in the form of 2 residents. The men braved the murky water, opened 2 padlocks on the garage door, and skillfully made their way to perform the rescue mission.
When I go inside, I see a window, I try to open that window not open, push the door is stuck anyway. I fight a window and open it, and a body of water come out and pitch me back. When I look, I hear a sound, and when I look up in the ceiling, I see the man and his son.
While hanging on to the grill, the men gave specific instructions to the father and the son.
We're going to give you the vest, and you put on the vest from inside here because the water is here. So when you come down, you hold on the grill and walk. We're going to go with you out by the car porch, and then we tie the rope and take you out.
But the rescue mission was not without its challenges. Since Dwayne Blair was nervous, Junior George Wilson had to rely on his knowledge of swimming to effectively complete his duties.
He gripped me around my neck because he was so nervous when he leg off of the grill. He gripped me and me the down, but him the up. So I hold him and spin him over, put him on him back and grip him too and say he can't hold me and shove him out.
All the light was flashing and we didn't, all the electric outlet with the current and everything. I just hope the house didn't blow up with us. I've never experienced such a thing in my life from the day I was born in this country. It wasn't pretty.
For now, neighbors are helping them to get their lives back on track. Meanwhile, residents in Mineral Heights, Clarendon were also affected by the flood waters.
Every room, dining hall, flooded out. We have to be putting the things on the block. Over the years, 33 years, and it's the worst since yesterday.
The residents are appealing to the authorities to fix the drainage system in the area. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.